tradition, technology, and quality. What do those words remind you of?
Wanda!
Wanda! Wanda!
Wanda!
Wanda! Wanda!
Wanda!
But do you really know who Wanda is? I was born in 1934 in the state capital of São Paulo, and through a promise from my father, Roque Montesano, who would have a company with my name, emerged the paint brand that would later become one of the world leaders in the vehicle refinish segment. He always valued excellence and mastery in finishing to give quality to his paints and products. And this legacy is present in Wanda even today. In the late 40s, our production was moved to a shed in the Mooca neighborhood in São Paulo, where the factory began to take shape. And in the 70s, my father's company combined its quality and tradition with the experience and innovation of AkzoNobel, a pioneering Dutch paints and coatings company with a legacy of over 200 years. And it didn't take long for the brand to become a reference in this segment. Today, AkzoNobel has a complete system to meet all the needs of the vehicle refinish process. The products are easy to use and provide excellence and color accuracy. They are manufactured responsibly in relation to society and the environment here in São Bernardo do Campo Industrial Park in São Paulo. In fact, AkzoNobel is committed to developing environmentally friendly solutions and is a pioneer in the development of lead and chromate-free refinish products. With a focus on the customer and in the professional painters, Wanda has always had a strong presence at the point of sale and in the training of industry professionals, bringing information, tips and news to its partners, as well as trainings and special campaigns to present the correct application of its products. Also, it has all AkzoNobel's passion and excellence in colors, which translates into products, tools, and technology solutions that ensure the correct choice of tone according to customer needs. I am proud to look back and see the beautiful story that was built through Wanda, a Brazilian brand for the whole world. Offering the best vehicular refinish solutions in every continent is what moves and motivates Wanda every day. My story and Wanda's have always been connected. And we can assure you, there is still a lot of history to be told. Wanda, for 85 years maintaining tradition and excellence in vehicle refinish.